pas de bol. T'as que des bad girls, t'es qu'un bad boy.
Le but d'une vie c'est de faire de la monnaie. C'est pas ton équipe et ton racolé. Toutes tes copines, ouais, on les connaît.
And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
So hello guys, welcome back to the channel Excel Tiger Junior. Today we are going to do the product review of BoatAirdopes 441, and this product is brought to you by my friend Rs2000, and don't forget to visit his Instagram profile which is coming down here. And so without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So now let's get into the unboxing part of this video. Let's go. So in this corona time, safety always comes first, and we need to sanitize this, and let's get into the unboxing now.
Sourire de faire le tri. Moi je voulais m'en aller, et ce depuis tant d'années. J'essaie de faire le vide souvent, sourire, ouais, de faire le tri.
Bad boy.
Bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol. Et t'es un bad boy. Et toutes tes copines sont des bad girls. On s'en fout du risque, on n'a pas de bol. Et on n'a pas de bol.
Here is our BoatAirdopes 441. So let's see what we have got inside. This is our main charging case with the truly wireless eardrops inside. Nice smoky RGB lights, isn't it? Next, we have the product catalog for Boat, the user manual, and the 1-year warranty card with it. We have got a Type-C cable for charging your eardrops. Also provided with some extra pieces of different sizes. We can use them according to our needs. So let's take a closer look at the eardrops. Oh my words! We have got a premium look, a black matte finish with a smooth and shining one. It will definitely look great in your hands and is definitely going to fit in your pockets. The eardrops has an approximate weight of 50 grams and is quite light and portable. Definitely going to be in your cards. Now let's check its connectivity and range. The BoatAirdopes 441 comes with an intelligent instant wake and pair technology with Bluetooth 5.0 and enabling connection with your device within a fraction of seconds. Who needs buttons when we have an excellent capacitive touch control? With this feature, we can pause, play, and move to the next video or music by a simple double tapping. We can even call our voice assistant by pressing for 2 seconds. The BoatAirdopes 441 has a stunning IPX7 water sweat resistance, so do not be afraid of getting your eardrops damaged by water or sweat. Keep grooving, bro. The BoatAirdopes fits into our ears very well and will not fall off from our ears at any cost. It has a sporty ergonomics with secure fit ear hooks, so you can blindly use it for your workout session. Now the sound quality, to be honest, is exceptionally good with proper bass. The sound does not seem to flicker even in full volume, so you can enjoy it anywhere at any time. Now the fascinating thing is that the eardrop starts to charge automatically when placed back into the case. If you want to know how we are going to identify the level of battery left within the eardrops, so you can see it from your connection area of your phone that how much battery percentage is left. Rather, the charging case also represents some colors. The colors like red, blue and purple will represent the amount of charge left within the case and the eardrops.
Bad